Be a lateral raise eccentric motion here. So lateral raises are a challenging exercise to do in a way that ensures that you don't overload the rotator cuff or injure something. Most people end up shrugging, and so they create a lot of impingement and extra force and load on the rotator cuff that doesn't need to be the case. So when we're doing this, the emphasis is on the eccentric. So with any eccentric, you might need help, cable, band, whatever that is. This is better with some sort of directional angle cable or band as opposed to a dumbbell coming straight down. Is helping up and then re-engaging. And then what I'm trying to do here is just slowly lower this down. The key here is to make sure I don't start hiking up the shoulder. The moment I start doing that, I feel all this grinding and crunching in the shoulder. So I'm trying to, as this is lower down, prevent this from happening and keep this engagement. I'm not pinning down super tight. I'm just making sure that this doesn't shrug up. Okay, so it's more about maintenance from where we are, because here, that shoulder's down. I'm not shrugged up here. If you're starting it and you're here, you're gonna have a hard time doing it or you're gonna have pain, so you know you're doing it wrong. Right? Lower, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now I like cable because cable, the weight is consistent, but the band, as it gets a little bit lower and you're fatigued and it's tired, totally works just as well, okay? If you have frozen shoulder, you might be hearing this. That's good. That means we're breaking up that the adhesions within the capsule that are creating the frozen shoulder, which will only help improve your range of motion.